I get ready. I promise you're going to love this one. This is a power bowl you can have for dinner, for lunch. It takes just about 3 minutes, three ingredients, but stay tuned because we're gonna up it a notch. We're gonna turn it into a kind of Chipotle alternative bowl, which is even healthier, packed with protein, and it's not gonna cost you $15. And we're gonna turn it to a world famous, healthy, snacky snack. So let's go. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the protein. We love to build meals around protein, and we are going with, drum roll please, salmon. You can obviously make fresh salmon. You could make it on the grill. I've done microwave salmon. I'll link to a recipe below where you can make it in 3 minutes. But today, because we like moving fast and diving into the pantry, we're doing canned salmon or salmon in a pouch. So that's ingredient number one, just a can or a pouch of salmon. And all we're going to do is rip it open and pour it into a bowl. That's it. We're just going to put it right in. We got the salmon in the bowl. So now let's go to ingredient number two. So what we're going to do for ingredient number two, I'm going to turn on the stove here and just a little bit of olive oil. This actually really isn't the ingredients. So if you've seen some of my recipes before, you know I'm a big fan of riced vegetables, especially instead of actual traditional rice. So that's what we're going with today. We're going with riced cauliflower, and it's going to be really good, especially when we make our Chipotle alternative type palette. So the pan is heating up. Just going to rip this baby open. Add it over nice. So let's use the power of editing. Boom. Look at that. All right. Now, it depends how hungry you are. Now, I've done these with half a package of riced cauliflower or riced broccoli. Now, if you're feeling really hungry, go for a whole bag. I actually now the entire bag, and we're just going to put the bag on here. This is going to take around 3-4 minutes. I put it in frozen. So all you're going to do is keep rotating this till it starts to get nice and soft. So now let's go back to the protein. Okay, so while the veggies are cooking, we've got our canned salmon, just one can or one pouch. We're going to mush it up. Now it's become quickly my new favorite, cottage cheese. And it blends well with canned tuna, chicken. I haven't tried it with ham yet, but I'm doing it today with the salmon. So I'm going to add around a tablespoon or so. And it almost becomes like a little salmon salad. There you go. If you've never tried cottage cheese with these type of foods, give it a try. I promise you're going to like it. I was always scared of it as a kid because I thought it was going to be cheese, but it's not. It's very mild texture and flavor. Hold on, I got to give the veggies a stir. Okay, I'm back. So I told you before how this could be a really simple recipe with just 3 ingredients. So if you wanted to keep it very kind of plain and basic, you can go the rice cauliflower with the canned salmon, with the cottage cheese, scoop it on top. You've got a really delicious meal in about 3 minutes. But I said we're going to up it today. We're going to kind of get crazy. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this a Mexican. Yes, if you love Mexican food as much as I do. Now, I love guac. It tastes delicious. It's got some really good healthy fats. So I'm doing about a tablespoon. I dump it right in. This is mixing really nicely so far. And the veggies are almost ready. Let's get that out of the pan. All right, I'm going to finish these up. We're just going to put it into a separate bowl. I prefer the rice to cauliflower, rice broccoli, or a mix of them over regular rice because it's vegetables and it fills you up. Now we're going to go back to the salmon. So from here, we've got our salmon with the cottage cheese and the guac. And it's a really good, again, the cottage cheese is great instead of mayo. You could pour this right over the rice vegetables. And we've got a really good towel bowl coming up. But now is when you could really have fun with it. If you want to put a little bit of cheese, some fun, or I love salsa. So I'm going to put a little bit of prepackaged salsa right on top. And it's smelling really good. I actually like to mix it all up. Some people like it on top. I like one big bowl. And this is enough now. This could actually be, depending on your appetite, depending how many calories you need, this could be 2 different meals. This could be lunch today and tomorrow. It could be lunch today, dinner tomorrow. You get the point. You could have this anytime. But I mentioned earlier, you want to make it a snacky snack. So what are you going to do? Of course, you can go with the fried chips. You could put this into a tortilla and make it burrito. I like these pop chips because they're baked. They're not fried. So as always, we can just scoop it right on, get a good piece of salmon with the rice, with the guac, with a little bit of the salsa, with a little bit that just fell on the floor, and just enjoy it. And speaking of enjoying, if you're enjoying this video, keep do me a favor, just hit subscribe. That's it. Hit subscribe. Show YouTube, hey, I want to see more of these recipes, these unpretentious recipes without 95 ingredients, just stuff you have around the house. So that's it. Just hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, excuse me, I have some chips.